What is going on, guys? Tony's Classics. Happy Father's Day. We're here at the Rev Autoshow. So we're spectating, you know? So let me show you this. We're gonna walk in. I'll show you the cool cars, and it's at a racetrack, so it's pretty sick. Check this out. Fans. We got some fans. It's kind of hype. We got this cool car right here. We got the Rev Autoshow. We actually got into the show, so hell yeah, there's actually some really cool cars here, so let me show you guys. Let me flip this camera. Like, holy shit. So we're in the classic section over there, but we're gonna go look at that quick, because I want to go see what's happening. These are some nuts cars here. We're vlogging the show.
Has been running through everybody.
Really?
He sent everybody home.
I just got here right now.
He has sent everybody home.
Damn. I want to hear it.
Like, I'm not the old guy. Like, just give it to him already.
Old guy.
Bro, you can tell this guy was a lethal weapon. Look at that look on it.
Apparently this guy already beat 6 guys. That was the 7th. This is the 8th. Here we go. What kind of exhaust is that, dog? My Benz is louder than that. Come on. Your truck's louder than that too. Come on. Ah, there you go. Impressive flame, I'm not gonna lie.
Flames there, but it doesn't sound This thing actually is awesome. It's not loud, but
That crowd's going crazy for this guy. Crowd's going crazy. Alright, let me get on the
It says louder than your girlfriend last night on it, so we'll see. It better be. See the sticker? Louder than your girlfriend last night.
You better be. We'll see. We'll see.
Yes. Went low.
Oh my god. This thing is sick. Then look, yeah, you got this. Okay, I'm sorry, bro. That's sick. BMXer? That was beautiful. Wow, that's clean. Shiny paint. That's clean too, jeez. Beautiful. Got the plate, guys. That's why I don't want to. Next car to win. Got the Mustang. Got Raptors. Things were cut. You look at that thing, that's beautiful. Beautiful. We're definitely gonna go look back and look at the classics over here. But let's do a walkthrough. Oh, we need a golf cart. That's not the truck, is it? That is the truck. That's gorgeous. More cars. More cars. That'll work. More cars. More cars. Maybe we should go over there and get a video of the truck. That looks pretty. AK carbon, that's cool. They made a little bit of. Boys, we're talking about his wrap. This is the tuner side, so we were halfway over there. We ended up on the tuner side now, as you can see. Money, money, money. Okay. Okay. There's Mike. We got Mike's car. Always looking nice, you know. Got the snake in the back. If you know, I think it's that TL. Yeah, follow it. We got the homie here too. Last. Let me go say hi to these guys. Manny, shout out Kingsman Customs. Jeez. Yeah, these are nice. So you have the pink one, fully done up. You got a blue one. You got a Subaru Stormtrooper. Let's go back to the classic section. Wow, look at these. These are classics. Looks so beautiful.
This is 20 spin wheels. This is 20 spin And Amy is funny, he's 88.
And you got a Lady McQueen over here.
How many times you get pulled over with the front tint?
So far, I just installed it, so we'll see. But the side tints have been on for 3 years, so it's kind of, the car's a little bit too flashy for, you know, for like to be pulled over for tint. Like I think they have better things to do. But the front, it's pay to play. Pay to play. So that's what I got to figure out.
Yeah, because I like the color. Yeah, because I was definitely thinking of getting this. It's just probably gonna get pulled over.
Yeah.
I just want to add more money and I just keep paying the tickets.